All right, we'll take a look at our try it. It's the same thing we're looking at playing. What I want you guys to kind of notice is we take a scenario, we break it down into a unit rate. We usually do that with some division, right? And then once we have that unit rate, we enlarge it to whatever number or quantity we want. We multiply it by, I'm just going to put 15. That's a pattern that we're going to continue to see, and hopefully you guys get familiar with that we're going to divide to get that unit rate, and then we're going to multiply to get the next thing. And in some cases, you'll see here at the end of the day, we may do this in a different order. We may actually multiply to get the unit rate if we're looking at something, let's say that's half. So I could go 5 miles in half an hour. Well, then if I wanted my 1 hour rate, I'd have to multiply it by 2, right? So that can happen. But either way, the point is we get to our unit rate, we're going to expand it and make it bigger. So let's do that here with this same problem. It says at the same rate, how far will the jet fly in 75 minutes? So what we know is the jet flies 175 miles in 7 minutes, and that's a constant speed of 25 miles every 1 minute. But now they're saying, well, not 1 minute, we want to know 75 minutes. So just like we've been doing, we take 1 and we multiplied it by 75. So what are you going to do to 25 up here? You're going to multiply it by 75. So we just got to do some calculations. What's 75 times 25? So 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 7 is 35 plus that 2. We're at 37. When I go to the next place value, so I'm going to put a placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 4, plus that 1, we're at 15. So now just add these up. 5, 7, 8, 1. And now plug that answer in and give it to me as a sentence. What does this mean? When we had miles up here and we have minutes down here. So what? Just write in a sentence. 1,875 miles in 75 minutes. So you kind of put the jet can fly and 1,875 miles in 75 minutes.